Okay, so I was cleaning this drill out the other day. It is now all free of hayseed. We just you can individually run these things for like when you're doing hay or beans, wheat, oats, stuff like that. You can disconnect the front from the back and the back from the front and do it that way. Obviously we had the front hooked up for hayseed to plant hay, because that's where the front box is on the front, and the back box is on the back for the back part of this unit. The hayseed box on this thing is really tiny, just because, well, you don't need to plant that much hay to the acre, whereas the grain box or hopper, or whatever you call it, is huge. So yeah, so it's just a matter of the waiting game now. Basically, we're wet again. We did not need the rain we had Mother's Day. That just put us back about 2 weeks or better. Basically, we didn't need it. We're already playing heck trying to get stuff in anyways. We're supposed to start making hay Memorial Day is what Grandpa always did, but I don't think it's gonna be tough trying to do anything. If I remember right, April 4th, that thunderstorm, April 14th, just killed us. With all that 2 inches of rain, 3 inches of rain and everything, it just killed us. So I feel bad for Nebraska with all that flooding. I couldn't imagine what it'd do around here, around northeast Ohio. Just disaster if that rain were to come to us. So, all right, you guys enjoy this video. Thanks for watching.